Good day, my master. I am Maribik Pibritos, 40 years old, a mother of two boys, ages 20 years old and 40 years old. I have an experience in Hong Kong for 3 years, taking care of a baby and also a teenager. I know how to cook a Chinese food and a Western food, and also cleaning house chores, cleaning cars, taking care of pets, marketing. I am a very hardworking person, trustworthy, very kind, and respectful. If you choose me as your helper, I can do your very best. And also, we love to learn and willing to learn more, sir. Thank you and good day.